The following section highlights further rules and regulations for truck drivers. You have a responsibility to act and work in a safe manner at all times whilst on ADPC ports, and to follow all instructions, policies and procedures that apply to your journey in the ports. Please perform vehicle inspections. The inspection should include the following components: vehicle overview, engine compartment, inside the cab, lights, a walk-around, signal lights, and brake system. As a driver, your responsibilities include making sure that your vehicle does not exceed mass limits or dimension limits, your load is appropriately restrained, and lashes are certified and fit for use. You are mentally and physically fit to drive, you do not exceed the speed limit, your vehicle is not harmful to the environment, and you obtained sufficient rest breaks. Before entering the port, ensure your vehicle is registered, insured, in good working condition, and safe for all. When entering the port, please queue patiently and keep a safe distance. Do not take shortcuts. Headlights must be switched on along with flashing beacon light when entering terminal areas. Always carry a functional fire extinguisher. Remember, it is an offence to provide false or misleading information to any person required to obtain such information. Here are some safety tips for when driving through parking lots. Always wear your seatbelt, obey parking lot signage, traffic lanes, and drive slowly. Always give way to reversing vehicles. Be extra careful at entrances, exits, and intersections, watching for pedestrians. Use your turn signals and headlights. Trucks have designated parking areas. Once you have parked your vehicle, you must apply the handbrake, secure your vehicle, and please be conscious of other vehicles you park next to. When you leave your vehicle, ensure you are wearing all the correct PPE. This includes hard hat, high visibility vest, safety footwear. Proceed directly to the documentation center, walking on the painted walkways. Do not rest or pray under your vehicle. No cooking on the premises, and never leave your vehicle in the port overnight. In the loading areas, the driver will carefully park the trailer in reverse position at the designated transfer point. After parking the trailer properly, the driver should open the locks on the trailer, ensuring all PPE is worn before exiting the cockpit. Driver should go to the lane booth, swipe his card, and follow the instructions given to him. When the wait in booth red light is on, driver must stay in the booth until the crane has completed the job. Driver must not leave the booth before the exit light is on. When the exit now light is on, the driver must leave the booth, lock the container to the trailer for imports, and go to the next stage. Do not leave the booth pressure mat until the green light comes on. Ensure all twist locks are secured. Not doing so may cause a severe accident. At all times, driver must follow the ADT safety regulations and instructions given to him by ADT personnel. For the safety of our security personnel, please leave a 3-meter gap between you and the vehicle in front. You must apply your parking brake whilst stopped at the security gate. Drive smoothly and anticipate traffic situations, avoiding brisk change of direction or heavy braking. Always make a safe lane change by checking your surroundings, signal your intentions, check your blind spot, keep your pace, and slowly merge into lane. Avoid cutting off other drivers. Ignore any rude gestures and do not return them. Avoid eye contact and gesture an apology if you make a driving mistake. Don't respond to aggressive drivers. Give aggressive drivers plenty of space. To prevent truck rollover or to prevent your vehicle from becoming unstable, avoid attempts to make a turn while traveling too fast, heavy braking, and/or rapid steering movements. Other things that may help to prevent a rollover from occurring: always get enough rest between your trips to avoid fatigue. Cargo must be contained, immobilized, or secured to prevent shifting upon or within the vehicle. Avoid all distractions while operating a vehicle. Driving should be the only task on your mind while driving. The following are the most common driver distractions which you must avoid, like driver fatigue. using a cell phone or talking with passengers, using the radio, map, or GPS, eating, drinking, and smoking. When approaching the intersection, slow down and look both ways, even if the traffic light is green. Never run a red light. If emergency braking or other abnormal conditions occur, check the cargo at the nearest safe place. When leaving ADPC ports, please obey UAE local traffic rules and regulations. Always expect the unexpected. Be a safe driver. Prepare your vehicle. Keep headlights, tail lights, signal lights, and windows, inside and out, clean. Turn your headlights on and ensure they are properly aimed. Always keep your headlights on low beams. Reduce your speed and increase your following distance. If you are feeling fatigued, make a stop for a light snack and exercise. If you are too tired to drive, stop and get some rest. Familiarize yourself with segregation tables for handling, transportation, and storage of specific materials. Each category has its own marking, and all labels are a diamond shape with a corresponding background color. These labels are clearly shown on all or adjacent sides of packaging. Please follow the precautions mentioned in the Safety Data Sheet, SDS. If a spill or leak occurs, report it immediately and keep people away from the hazard, unless you are a trained responder. Report hazmat incident to control room. All visitors or contractors collecting or delivering cargo are only permitted to access the customs and ADPC offices. Access to offices is via pedestrian walkway lanes inside the shed only. Strictly prohibited from entering operation areas inside or outside the CFS shed. At import-export inspection yards, reverse into a container dock. When the dock is clear of all obstructions, ensure you position your vehicle within the marked bay. Thank you for your attention. Our concern is your safety, and we encourage safe and productive working practices. Your family is at home waiting for you to safely return. So please remember to follow the rules and regulations for truck drivers, adhere to the safety guidelines while driving through parking areas, stay committed to the cargo loading and offloading systems, drive cautiously at night and during winter seasons, handle all hazardous materials with care, and respect working practices at CFS, import and export, inspection areas. We wish for you to have a healthy, safe, and productive time here at ADPC.